Have you ever felt invisible? You were speaking, and someone cut you off like your words didn't matter. You helped someone when they needed you the most. But when your turn came, they treated you like an option. That feeling in your chest? That frustration? That silent anger? It's not weakness. It's your self-respect asking for help. Most of us were taught the same thing. Be nice. Be kind. Respect everyone. But here's the harsh truth. The world doesn't always reward kindness. Sometimes the kinder you are, the more people take you for granted. Machiavelli understood this over 500 years ago. He believed that if you allow people to disrespect you without consequences, they will keep doing it. So today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful ways to deal with people who don't respect you. These methods aren't sweet. They're not comfortable, but they work. Let's begin. Number 1, master the art of silence. When someone disrespects you, your first instinct is to react. To argue, to defend yourself, to prove them wrong. Don't. That's exactly what they want. They want your reaction. The moment you lose emotional control, you give them power. Instead, stay calm. Look them in the eyes. Say nothing. Silence creates uncertainty, and uncertainty makes people uncomfortable. A calm person is far more powerful than a loud person. Because silence says, "You are not important enough to disturb my peace." And that message hits harder than any insult. Number 2, cut them off. Your time is valuable. Your energy is valuable. Your presence is valuable. Stop giving it to people who don't appreciate it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is staying available for those who constantly disrespect them. They keep giving chances. They keep hoping people will change. Most don't. Sometimes the strongest response is not revenge, it's removal. Walk away. No long explanations. No dramatic speeches. Just leave. Your absence will teach lessons your words never could. Number 3, rise above. The best revenge is success, not because success hurts others, but because success frees you. While they're busy criticizing you, build yourself, learn new skills, improve your health, grow your business, strengthen your mind. Let their disrespect become fuel. One day you'll be so far ahead that their opinions won't even reach you, and that's real power. Number 4, let them expose themselves. Most people destroy themselves. They just need time. When someone is arrogant, rude, and disrespectful, don't rush to expose them. Be patient. Eventually, they'll show their true character to everyone. The more they talk, the more mistakes they make, the more people see who they really are. Your job isn't to fight every battle. Your job is to stay composed while they reveal themselves. Number 5, control the narrative. People don't always believe facts. They believe stories. When someone disrespects you, they're trying to create a story about who you are. Don't let them write your story. Write it yourself. Stay calm. Stay consistent. Let your actions speak louder than their words. Build such a strong reputation that their accusations sound ridiculous. The strongest defense isn't an argument. It's a life that proves them wrong. Number 6, protect your reputation. Your reputation is like currency. It opens doors before you even enter the room. Never destroy your own reputation trying to destroy someone else's. No gossip, no lies, no cheap attacks. Instead, become so trustworthy, so disciplined, so respected, that anyone who attacks you starts looking bad automatically. People compare, and when your character shines, their behavior becomes impossible to ignore. Number 7, become untouchable. This is the highest level. Stop needing approval. Stop needing validation. Stop needing everyone to like you. Because the moment you stop depending on other people's opinions, you become free. Think about it. Why does disrespect hurt? Because deep down you care about what that person thinks. But when their opinion no longer controls your emotions, they lose all power over you. No anger, no revenge, no bitterness, just peace. And peace is the ultimate power. Final thought. There will always be people who disrespect you. You cannot control them, but you can control yourself. Master silence, protect your energy, rise above, build your reputation, and become emotionally independent, because respect is not begged for, respect is commanded. And the strongest people aren't the loudest. They're the ones who stay calm while everyone else loses control. So here's my question. Which of these 7 rules will you start using today? Comment below. I am untouchable. And remember, the moment you stop chasing respect is the moment people start giving it to you. Follow Mind Mirror for more psychology and human behavior insights.